how to set up a WhatsApp business account on mobile. In today's video, I will guide you through all the steps. Just make sure to watch till the end. All you need to do is first download WhatsApp Business app from Google Play Store if you are using an Android, or from Apple Store if you are using an iOS. Once installed, open that app. Press Agree and Continue. Allow all. Here we will enter our mobile number including our country code, like I'm typing. Once done, hit Next. If your number is correct, press Yes and it will send a verification code to your mobile number. Enter that 6 digits code here. Continue. Allow contacts, allow audio files, allow photos and videos. Skip. A WhatsApp business account is a dedicated messaging solution designed to enable structured and scalable communication between businesses and their customers. It offers features such as verified business profiles, automated messaging workflows, quick replies, and catalog integration to support efficient customer engagement. The platform is widely utilized for customer support, transactional messaging, and relationship management within a secure and reliable communication environment. Here, enter your business name and press Next. Select your business category and press Next. Add your business hours. Always open for selected hours, and I'm selecting the last option as appointments only, and we'll press Next. Select days and hours and press Next. Add a profile photo by tapping on this camera icon for your business, or you can update it later as well. Select Gallery and choose any picture you want. Press Done, then press Next. Update your business address and website and press Next. Here, add a business description and press Next. Here, add your business email, but for now, I will skip it. Just a moment wait and our WhatsApp business account has been created successfully. Further, you can customize your account according to your needs. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.